Exploring Sky, an in-depth look into the world of drone technology, current and future uses. Welcome to our latest video, where we dive into the fascinating world of drone technology. From their workings to their application, we'll cover it all. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey. 1. Introduction to drones. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), are small or medium-sized unmanned aerial vehicles that can be remotely controlled or fly autonomously. They're a blend of robotics and aeronautics, capable of maintaining a controlled, sustained level of flight. 2. How drones work. Drones work much like other modes of air transportation, such as helicopters and airplanes. They have a motor, propellers, and a central flight controller that maintains stability. Many drones also feature GPS, radar control, infrared, and high-resolution cameras. 3. Uses of drones. Drones have a wide range of applications, from commercial purposes like search and rescue, traffic monitoring, and weather measurements to civil works and infrastructure inspections, and even recreational use. They're also being used in sustainability efforts, such as monitoring agricultural fields and identifying failures in solar and wind plants. 4. Current uses of drones. Drones are currently being used in various industries, including construction, energy and utilities, agriculture, and even disaster response. They're revolutionizing the way we inspect, measure, and monitor, providing clear visuals for multiple sectors that usually require human laborers. 5. Future uses of drones. The future of drone technology is vast and diverse, ranging from surveillance and delivery services to healthcare and entertainment. As drone technology continues to evolve, it opens up unprecedented possibilities for industries. Some of the potential future uses of drones include delivery services. Drones could revolutionize the way we receive packages, with companies like Amazon and Walmart already testing drone deliveries. Industrial inspections. Drones can be used to perform aerial inspections of structures, such as buildings, bridges, and pipelines, providing high-quality data for maintenance and repair. Agriculture. Drones can be used to monitor crop health, identify pests and diseases, and even spray pesticides or fertilizers. Disaster response. Drones can be used to assess disaster-stricken areas, locate survivors, and provide real-time data for faster response decisions. Environmental monitoring. Drones equipped with sensors can monitor environmental parameters such as air and water quality, helping to detect changes and anomalies for proactive conservation efforts. Swarming. The concept of drone swarming is gaining momentum, with drones collaborating seamlessly in swarms to enhance the scalability and efficiency of various applications. Enhanced connectivity. High-speed communication networks, such as 5G, are paving the way for real-time data transmission and remote piloting, extending the operational range of drones and facilitating more reliable communication. Green drones. As environmental sustainability becomes more important, the drone industry is responding with the development of eco-friendly solutions, such as drones powered by renewable energy sources and designed with energy efficiency in mind. 6. Fun facts about drones. Did you know that in the United States, drones are being used for online shopping delivery within 30 minutes? Or that drones for domestic use have been used for recording tourist videos? And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of drone technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.